Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Hornbill smart lock using an easy method. Start by downloading the Hornbill app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Make sure your smart lock has new batteries, as this ensures a smooth setup process. For the best connection, stand close to your lock, ideally within about 3 feet, to establish a strong Bluetooth signal. This initial preparation is key for a successful programming experience. Now, open the Hornbill app and look for the Add Device button, usually represented by a plus sign. Tap this button and then choose your specific Hornbill smart lock model from the displayed list. The app will then guide you through the Bluetooth pairing process. This typically involves pressing a button on the lock itself to activate pairing mode, allowing your phone to discover and connect to it seamlessly. With your lock connected, it's time to set up access codes. Go to the User Management section within the app. Here, you can add new users and assign them unique 49-digit passcodes. Remember to give each code a descriptive name, like Family Code or Guest Access, so you can easily track who has access. You can create up to 100 different user codes for various individuals. Beyond basic access, the Hornbill app offers several advanced features. Consider enabling the auto lock function, which can secure your door automatically after a set period, like 30 seconds. You can also generate temporary access codes for guests, valid for a specific duration, such as 24 hours. Finally, always keep your lock's firmware updated through the app to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.